Hello and welcome everyone! Hopefully today's recipe won't take up much room in your brain. Otherwise you might not think I'm a very fun guy. Today we're going to be making a tasty appetizer, seafood stuffed mushroom caps. This very simple recipe is one of our default go-tos whenever we have company over. This recipe is loosely based on the Mushrooms Neptune served up here in Canada at the Keg restaurant. For today's recipe, you will need 24 to 36 mushrooms. White or brown button mushrooms work best. 1 brick of cream cheese softened, 1 can of cocktail shrimp, 1 can of crab meat, 1/2 cup of finely grated Swiss cheese, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, pepper to taste, and optionally 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Now canned shrimp and canned crab meat are nice for this recipe because they break up easily and are less expensive and usually more readily available. Firstly, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now prepare the mushrooms. Remove the stems and make sure to remove any dirt from the caps. I do this by brushing them with a dry paper towel. Then set them out on a baking sheet. Once your oven has heated, place the mushroom caps in it for 10 to 15 minutes until they are partially cooked. Then remove them from the oven and dump off or dab off any water that may have collected in the caps. Drain the liquid from the canned crab and shrimp and then dump the shrimp into a bowl. Then, using a fork, break up the shrimp by mashing them against the side of the bowl. Once the shrimp are broken up, you can add in the crab meat and mix everything together, making sure there are no large clumps of either shrimp or crab. Next, using a mixer, food processor, or by hand, beat the softened cream cheese until it is smooth. Once it is smooth, fold in the sour cream and the seafood meat. Then beat them again until everything is well combined. Then add the grated cheese and the pepper to taste. If you want to liven up the flavor a bit, then this is the perfect time to add in the 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now that the filling is prepared, we can fill up our mushroom caps. You can either spoon the filling into the caps, or you can use a piping bag / Ziploc bag with the corner cut off to fill them. Once the mushroom caps are filled, we return them to the oven. We're now going to allow them to cook until the mushrooms are tender. This takes about 15 minutes. Then if desired, you can broil them for about 3 to 5 minutes just to brown up the topping. And here we have it, the finished mushroom caps. These mushroom caps make a delicious simple appetizer and are great served either warm or cold. I personally like to squeeze a bit of extra lemon juice over the top of them because the added tanginess goes great with the creamy and cheesy seafood filling. I hope this simple recipe has given you inspiration. If you liked it, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.